Hey friends, how are we? So we're going to be making some DIY galaxy jars. Exciting, right? Let's jump in. All right, friends, let's start with getting our jars ready. You're going to want to put about a third, we're going to fill it about a third of the way with just plain water. Okay? And so once you do that, you could take one of your paints. Doesn't matter which color, your colors might be different from mine, that's okay. And you're going to take it and you're actually just going to pour the paint right in. So I'm going to see what that looks like. Take it and you're going to mix it around. You can use a spoon, really anything, just to kind of get a nice good mix. So I think that's going to be good enough for me. Then you're going to take your glitter, which you should have in those little tubes, and you're going to pour some in. And again, you're going to want to just swirl it around. It'll help you tell if you wanted it to be a bit more glittery or not. Now we're going to start taking our cotton balls. You're going to take a regular cotton ball like this, and you're just going to start pulling it apart. You're going to kind of fluff it out. This is going to be our clouds. And once you fluffed it out, you're just going to start putting it in. So I'm just going to throw a couple in to begin. And what we're going to be trying to do is we want to kind of pack the bottom with the cotton balls. And so you're just going to kind of keep pushing them in until it feels kind of full. And what you'll notice is you'll start seeing some of the glitter kind of go throughout the sides. See? So you just keep adding and pressing. And once it feels, pretty firm, you're going to then add some more water. And from here, you're going to take your next color and start adding. Give it a little bit of a mix. And some more glitter. And some more cotton. And you're just going to kind of keep doing this over and over until your jar is full. And there you have it. You should have your galaxy jar, and you'll see as you push down the cotton, it kind of starts swirling the different paint colors. And if you find that too much of your first paint color is gone, don't be afraid to squirt it at the top as well. It's all about the mixing. All right, I'll see you guys next month. Bye.